Did you know that if I'm asked to multiply a number by 7, say for example 63 times 7, say for example 64 times 7, all I need to do is to first find out what 63 times 7 is. And I know that 63 times 7 is around 441. Now when I get this 441, I just need to leave this maths and go back and say, since 441 gives me, since 63 times 7 gives me 441, come and do 441 minus 63. It's going to give me 378 plus it with 6. Now when I plus by 6, I get 384. Now when I get 384, add the number I'm multiplying, which is 64. So times by 64, and I get 448. That's my answer. Which means that the simple rule to 7, when you're multiplying by 7, is simply, if I do 1 times 7, it gives me 7. If I do 2 times 7, it gives me 14. And if I do 3 times 7, I need to come. Using the same principle, I will say 14. 2 times 7 gives me 14. That means that if I have this 14, I can come and do 14 minus 2. It gives me 12. Shebi, add 6 to it, and it gives me 18. Then add the 3 that I'm doing to it, and 18 plus 3 is what? 19, 20, 21. So this is 21. Now if I want to do 4 times 7, this is going to be the same thing as saying, always know the previous answer. I'll say, okay, before getting to 4 times 7, I have 21. So 21 minus minus the 3 will give me 18. Now do plus 6. This will give me, if I carry 2 and put here, 10, 14, I write 4, then carry 1 and come here. Then remember that what I'm multiplying is by 4, so add 4 to it, gives me, what am I doing? Yes, so this first of all gave me, this one is supposed to be 24. That is, if I have this, 8 plus 6 is 14. Write 4, carry 1. So it's supposed to be 24. So this gives me 28. Come and put it here, 28. So if I want to do 5 times 7, this one I don't even need to do all this principle. I can just say half of 7 is 3.5. Times it by 10, it gives me 35. This one is very simple. Now if I want to do 6 times 7, I'll simply say, first of all, 35 is the number. 5 comes before 6. So 35 is what I go by, what I got from 5 times 7. So I'll simply do 35 minus 5 gives me 30. Always add 6 to it. So if I do this, it gives me 36. If I have 36, now remember that what I'm doing is to multiply by 6. So I'll now do plus 6. So now 6 plus 6 is 12. Carry 1, put here, 42. So 7 times 6 is 42. Academic Daddy. Subscribe, baby.